If you want to change home screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we're gonna open settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna proceed to wallpaper and style. Now in here, we're gonna tap on our home screen. We're gonna tap on this icon that we have here in the upper left corner. And then we need to choose the wallpaper that we wish to set on our home screen. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. In many cases, you can also zoom in and zoom out and change the position of the wallpaper, and at the bottom of the screen you can find additional options. So let me actually use a different wallpaper just to showcase these options. There we go. So we have the frame option, so we can apply a specific frame in here, and you can also adjust the color for the frame. We can also find a couple of different effects that we can use on our wallpaper. There we go. So you can choose the one that you like the most. And once you are done with the customization, as you can see, we can also zoom in and zoom out, as I mentioned. We can also move it around. Once you are done with the customization, you should be able to tap on Done in the upper right corner to apply the wallpaper. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.